Hello, my name is Misha. I'm a Senior MLOps Engineer at Fuzzy Labs.
What does a day as a senior MLOps engineer at Fuzzy Labs look like?
The usual day consists of mostly engineering tasks, so most of my day is spent implementing things for the client or on the client projects. But also, we do have some meetings, stand up with the client or with the internal team, and I also spend quite a bit of time on learning development lately.
What is the most exciting thing about being a senior MLOps engineer?
So the most exciting thing, in my opinion, is the variety of things we get to work on, both from different domains. So, for example, we worked with some companies that are in the medical sector, with some companies that do agriculture, with other companies that do finances, etc., etc. So there is quite a lot of variety of domain knowledge that you can pick up on, but also the variety of tasks, challenges, and tools.
What is an unexpected thing that you've learned?
What is the unexpected thing that I've learned? Uh,
What is your favorite part of MLOps and what do you like to work on?
I mean, MLOps as a concept is a very systemic thing, but there are two areas that I usually enjoy the most. One is experiments and how do we track those experiments. So, how do we enable data scientists and machine learning engineers do what they actually do? And the other one is model serving and how can we scale serving to accommodate the amount of users that the client might have.
What are the other physicians like to work with?
Cool. Basically, what I enjoy about working with other physicians is that everyone comes from very different backgrounds. So I may know a thing or two about a couple areas, but the other people usually know way more than me in other areas. So there is quite a lot of collaboration and conversations and discussions and opinions happening.
What was your job title before being an MLOps engineer?
Ooh, my job title before I joined Fuzzy Labs was doctorate assistant in computational biology at Basel Centrum. So I was doing some biological research on an edge of epigenetics and bioinformatics. So I come from academic background.
What are the top skills you think a senior MLOps engineer needs?
As I previously hinted, systemic thinking. So the way of thinking about projects, challenges, and tasks in the sense that they are not in isolation, but they're part of the system. So, how to diagnose which parts of the system are broken, how do we make two different things, two different parts of the system interact, this kind of thing.
If there was someone wanting to join Fuzzy Labs, what would you tell them to brush up on?
Ooh, Python is the obvious one. So Python is the main tool that we use. Also, infrastructure as code, so Terraform, this configuration, these kind of things. Just generally on MLOps theory, maybe, because there are quite a few case studies there, and it's very much not a solved problem. So
And finally, one word for what it's like to work at Fuzzy Labs.
fun. I could say shrimp.
You could say shrimp, yeah.